That's me, this and Jane. And this year, y'all went to go to Walmart and get the. I'm allergic to birds. At Walmart outside. This and Jane, and it's a stupid black bird. Leave me alone. Oh my God, you scare me. This is Walmart birds outside. This is Jane, and this is make a pet off at Blackbird. Stupid bird. I never want to see you. I'm allergic to animals. But Jane, leave me damn alone. Leave me alone. I'm allergic to birds. Stupid birds. It's terrible. Stupid birds. I'm allergic to birds to animals. I'm gonna use the scare. I'm allergic to just like oh my God, you scare me. You scare me so much. It deserves my Blackbird to get picked off at you stupid bird. This is horrible. Asshole bird. That could be fundamental along with stupid bird. This is terrible, asshole. So, I do not recommend to give 0 stars. You all went to go to Walmart and get them. I'm allergic to birds, animal, asshole bird. Thank you. Farm down.